By the end of this video, we hope to pique your curiosity with regard to challenge-based learning. We'll briefly discuss CBL integrated with the engineering design process. We'll provide perspectives from students and teachers, and we'll share with you how STEMucation Academy can start your journey using the CBL and EDP methods. The CBL EDP process starts with academic standards. Teachers then identify both a hook to grab the student's attention and a big idea of global significance, such as a safe drinking water crisis. The teacher and students collaborate to develop an essential question, create a challenge such as building a water filter, and then develop guiding questions that should be answered prior to designing and building a water filter. Using the EDP, students solve the challenge by building a water filter using math and science principles. The students use the iterative engineering design process to define and research the challenge, develop alternative solutions, select one solution, and then implement it. Once implemented, they evaluate it, refine it, and if necessary, repeat the process. When the best solution is found, they communicate the results to their stakeholders. So now, let's listen to what students and teachers say about the CBL EDP process.
An architect came to our classroom and he showed us like many things, like what his occupation is, like how he uses math in his
I think it's good for us to be doing the hands-on because it'll be way easier for us to remember than actually just sitting there taking notes.
You go in and you are students again, so you get to create, you get to engineer, and giving them this hands-on experience, really making them work on their own without me telling them.
The design process is embedded in everything that we do. It really outlines step by step what needs to occur when you're approached with a problem. The ones who aren't the best student, they get to be that great student because maybe they're not good at writing papers, but they can build the heck out of a car.
STEMucation Academy was created to help teachers use the concepts in this video that were developed in the Cincinnati Engineering Enhanced Math and Science program created by the University of Cincinnati. Visit our website at STEMucationacademy.com for details on the CBL EDP training options, all of which include the virtual guidance of an assigned dedicated coach. You might also browse our completed units of instruction that have been classroom tested by teachers who have been trained in the CBL EDP methodology. A big thanks to the National Science Foundation for supporting this work and to you for watching our video. Thank you.